Hello everyone. Today we are going to see on that comment session question, okay, from IICS tutorial series. Now see here they have given the source, okay. The source it is containing three column, okay, column 1 and this is my column 2 and this is my column 3. From this source data, they need to convert this format. Okay, the output it is 2, 4, 5, 6 and third column it is 1, 2, 3. That is, in the first column it is 2, it should be present. In the second column it should be 4, 5, 6 and third column it is 1, 2, 3. Like that it should be present. Okay. Now we'll go to data integration and we can create the mapping. Okay. Before that, first we want to take our source and target. Now see here I have created one table. Okay. The table name it is called EX2. Okay. In this table, N1 it is column, N2 it is second column and N3 it is third column. 3 column it is present in the form of numeric, that's the reason I have given in the form data type it is number. Okay, and the values also inserted here. See here the values it is inserted and we can retrieve the data with help of select statement. Select star from EX2. Okay, now we can retrieve the data. This is my table data, okay, and we can commit the statement also. Okay, that statement it is committed. Okay, in that right side this is my target in IICS. In the left side it is source. Okay, HR schema it is my source 1 and core schema it is my target 1. Okay, now create table ex2 as select star from hr.ex2 where I give the false condition. Now run the statement. See here the table it is getting created. That is, we are taking the backup table with help of that ex2 table. Okay, the ex2 where it is presented, HR schema it is presented. That's the reason here I have taken hr.ex2. Okay, and we have given the false condition. We know that if we are given the false condition, the table only it is created without having any data. If you want to know about how we can create the backup table, okay, with using the false condition, without using the false condition, I have detailed explained. Okay, please check the link in the below. You can get the detailed idea on that to create the backup table. Okay, now we'll go to the data integration and create the mapping for today's session. Now create one new mapping here. Okay, and give your mapping name. Here I am giving the mapping name, it is M underscore mapping 21. Just I am giving the mapping name. Okay, now take the source here. Here our source it is from Oracle connection as well as the target also it is from Oracle connection, and select that object here. If you have any doubt, just check it. What is your object name present? EX2 it is present in the HR schema, that is our source, as well as target also target table name it is EX2. Okay, select the object here, click on OK. Here in the source itself I am giving that SQL statement in SQL override. Okay, select N1 column 1 and in the N2 place the null value it is presented. So that's the reason I am using that NVL 2 comma 4 5 6. I am telling that wherever null it is present in the column 2, that is N2 column, just replace in the value of 4 5 6 and take the value N3 also from EX2, that is our table name. Okay, now we have given one SQL statement in SQL override. Okay, now in this mapping I am taking the filter condition also. Maximize this one, go to filter condition. You can get to know that why we are applying the filter condition. Okay, in the plus icon, okay, take the condition here and I am giving the condition for the column 3, that is N3 column. Okay, and the value it is present 1, 2, 3. I am telling that wherever 1, 2, 3 it is present, 1, 2, 3 it is present, just take that values only. If remaining, if it is anything it is present, don't take it. Okay, this is my statement here. Okay, n3 equal to 1, 2, 3. Now go to target and take the target object. Connection it is Oracle and select the target object here. Here our target name it is EX2. Take that one and click on OK. Now preview the data. See here, no records to view because we have taken the false condition while creating the target table. Now go to field mapping. See here our source data, that is column, and target column name both are same. Do the smart map here. So and save the mapping. Now start to run your mapping. Now go to my job. First the mapping status it is starting, then it is queue, then it is running, then you can get the status whether success or warning or failed. Now see here we got the success rows 1. Okay. From the source data we got the 2 rows. Okay. And the target it is populated to the only 1 row it is populated. Now we'll check in that Oracle SQL Developer which row it is processed. Now go to Oracle SQL Developer. Before that there is no value present in the EX2 in core schema. Now see here we got the result set, it is 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is our output it is present here? See here 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. Like that we got that output. Okay. So if you have any questions on Oracle SQL, IICS data warehousing, Linux, please post the comment. We'll see you on that upcoming sessions. Okay. The session it's helpful for you. Please subscribe it, comment it, share it, like it. Thank you.